Is your house retirement ready? You've worked your butt off for decades. Now your house better be working for you. If you're approaching retirement or already there, it's time to stop thinking like a homeowner and start thinking like a wealth strategist. But here's the truth that most people miss. The key to unlocking a more free, fulfilling, and fun retirement could be sitting right under your roof. That's right, your home. After years of the grind, the career, the kids, the bills, and the mortgage, retirement should be about living on your terms. But too many people drag the wrong house into the new chapter and end up stuck with maintenance, space they don't use, and bills they don't need. Reality check. In the past 5 years, the cost of living has increased by 23%. So if your house is oversized, over budget, or just overkill for your new lifestyle, it might be time to cash in and move on. And here's the kicker. You've likely built up massive equity. That means options, that means freedom, that means you can downsize, relocate, simplify, and still have cash left over for the good stuff like travel, hobbies, grandkids, or just straight up peace of mind. I'm seeing more retirees make smart, strategic moves, not because they have to, but because they want to design a retirement that feels lighter, freer, and right for this next chapter. So if you're even thinking about whether your current home still makes sense, let's talk. My team and I will work you and walk you through the options, run the numbers, and build a plan that sets you up for success and peace of mind. I've seen all market highs, market lows. I know exactly how to help you capitalize on current trends for maximum return on your investment. Your next move, let's make sure it's your best one. I'm Devonna.meyer with eXp Realty, and I am your real estate advocate.